All right, guys, so we're going to do a quick recap of point slope formula. So remember our formula is y minus y1 equals mx minus x1. This is going to help us find the equation of a line when given a point and a slope. The first point given to you, that's going to be your x1, y1. And your slope, we know that that is represented by the letter m. This helps us figure out what to plug in where. So I know I can rewrite my equation y minus, and my y1 is 1, equals my slope, which is our m, that's 2, x minus my x1 is 4. From here, I can manipulate this into the slope-intercept form. So remember, slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. So I want to get y by itself, and I want to simplify this in here by distributing the 2 to the x and to the negative 4. When I do that, I get 2x minus 8. And then I can add 1. I get y equals 2x minus 7. Okay. I'll do one more example with you, and then you can do these two on your own. So I'm plugging in again. My 1/2 goes in for my m, for my slope. And my 2 goes in for my x1. My 4 goes in for my y1. Be careful, if any of these are negative, then you're going to have a minus negative going on. And remember, minus negatives turn into positives. So be careful of your signs. Okay, 1/2 times x gives you 1/2 x. 1/2 times negative 2 gives you negative 1. Plus 4 plus 4. I'm left with y equals 1/2 x plus 3. Try out the other two on your own. So if we were just given 2 points and we weren't given the slope, we would have to solve for the slope. Remember our slope formula, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. This would give us our m, and then we would be able to plug that in for m in our point slope formula. Okay, so let's do number 7 together. The first point given to you is always your x1, y1. The second point given to you is your x2, y2. I'm going to plug it into the slope formula. -1 minus 7 over 1 minus negative 3. Here's an example of a minus negative turning into a positive. So this is like saying 1 plus 3, giving me 4. -1 minus 7 giving me negative 8. My slope is -2. I'm going to plug this into the point slope formula with one of my points. So it doesn't matter which one, pick whichever one is easier to use. I personally think the 1, -1 might be a little bit easier, smaller numbers. So y minus and my y1 is -1 equals my slope, -2, x minus, and then my x of this point right here is 1. Distribute the -2 and then add the 1. y equals negative 2x plus 3. Okay, you're going to do the same thing. Try out 8, 9, and 10. Label x1, y1, x2, y2, plug it into the slope formula. Pick one of the easier points to then plug in for x1, y1 in the point slope formula and manipulate it into slope-intercept form. After you're done this, you're going to get with a partner and you're going to complete the partner activity on the next page. So one of you will be partner A, the other one will be partner B. Partner A is going to do the entire left side of the page with all of the letters. Partner B is going to do the entire right side of the page with all of the numbers. Then you're going to get together with your partner and match up the answers. So for instance, maybe letter E, the answer to that will match number 12's answer. So then for number 12, you're going to put an E in the box. So that will solve the riddle at the bottom. So for number 12, we would put an E, but that's just an example, okay? That's not certain. For your work, you're going to show all of your work on the work page. The next page after that, you can rip this page off of your packet and then show all of your work on here. Okay, so again, it's just like your practice, plugging in the slope and the point into the point slope formula and putting it into slope-intercept form, or getting the slope by the y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, putting it into the point slope formula with one of the points that's easier to work with, and then putting it into slope-intercept form after that. If you have any questions, you can email me or ask the substitute. Have a great day, guys.